I pulled up a stool like another old fool, trying to get her off my mind. I opened a tab, went straight for the jab, and I threw them back one at a time. Hoping 90 proof might do the trick. She's a hell of a heartbreak to kick. Even whiskey ain't got a shot. Ain't a bottle of nothing round here that works worth a drop. If Tennessee straight can't make her man fade, tell me what kind of chance do I got? Even whiskey ain't got a shot. It's the #1 name for heartaches and pains, trusted for hundreds of years. Tough enough for cowboys, but don't look right now, boys. You sure ain't stopping these tears. Don't know why, but when it comes to us, it just don't do what it does. Even whiskey ain't got a shot. Ain't a bottle of nothing round here that works worth a drop. If Tennessee straight can't make her man fade, tell me what kind of chance do I got? Even whiskey ain't got a shot. Ain't a bottle of nothing round here works worth a drive. Yeah, if Tennessee straight can't make her man fade, tell me what kind of chance do I got? Even whiskey ain't got a shot. Even whiskey ain't got a shot.